हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड, आप लोग के लिए यहाँ पर काफी बड़ी ब्रेकिंग गुड न्यूज़ आ रही है फ्रॉम द टीसीएस। ओके, सो टीसीएस हैज रिसेंटली सेंडिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मेल फॉर दोज कैंडिडेट्स हु रिसेंटली रिटन देयर टीसीएस एनक्यूटी एग्जाम ऑन मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. So what type of mail they are sending and what's the breaking good news in this particular mail? Let's begin. So first of all, you can see on my screen this kind of mail you are going to receive from the TCS team if you have recently written your TCS NQT assessment. Urgent and important TCS registration SAFE certification. This mail is received by Supriya Kumari, and if you want to confirm this email address, please click on this down arrow and you were able to see the ending of this email address is @tcs.com. It's mean it's a original and real, it's not a fake. Okay, and dear, here is you're finding your name and your CTDT number, reference number as well. Greeting from Tata Consultancy Services. As part of our ongoing NQT hiring, we are conducting a survey to gather information about SAP certification. If you had done an SAP certification, please choose yes in the survey and fill the required information by tomorrow, 15th May 2024 by 10 a.m. Form will automatically close that post that survey link आपका दिया रहेगा. And my request, please don't share this link with any of your friends because this is a single time use and they are going to verify your information to asking your what you can say your email address. They will verify once, then only you are able to accept it. And if you have done not done self certification, then please don't choose yes, because this is for only for those candidates who completed their self certification of any of the authorized certification, not a fake one, like not one a free one or that one. It's a official self certification you have to do. Okay, you are the only recipient of this mail. Please refrain yourself to forward this among your peers. Please don't forward. Okay, also we would not be in also we would not be entertaining any test rescheduling request, so please do not send such request. And also they are not rescheduling any test, so please don't send any reschedule. These are second updates, like they are not rescheduling any tests. So if you have faced any technical issue while giving the test, then they are not going to reschedule test, because right now TCS is conducting assessment in offline mode, so no need for rescheduling the test, as you can say. Okay, see, I received this mail. Wait, I'm just taking the highlighter. Okay, I received this mail now, completed NQT on 29th April, first slot, and received the same mail. See, we are reaching out to you to understand if you are interested, trained or certified. If you are interested, please click on the below link Google form by link below at PM today, 14th May. Some they are saying 14th May, some are saying 15th May, and you have to complete it. And if you have trained as SAP trained or certified, if you have only, then you can choose yes. Otherwise, you can choose no. Okay. See this kind of mail that if you have done a self certification, please choose yes. Survey before 15th of May. Okay, and Meghna, see the HR name Meghna, and depending on the reason, the HR name will be different. Okay, Supriya, this is for Supriya, and this for Delhi region. Okay, and this is for the requirement team. Okay, this is for the Delhi region. Okay, Meghna, see tomorrow it is a form link. Okay, you have to fill it and submit it. Okay, and let's seek the that selection after NQT assessment. See, if you have done such certification and if you're choosing the yes, it's mean you are going to get a direct selection after writing the NQT test. Maybe they are not going to conduct any interview, maybe not sure, but yes, definitely they are going to hire you if you have a safe certification right now. Only for those candidates who are receiving this kind of mail, those candidates are only eligible. It's not like everyone is eligible. No, if you've written your NQT exam and if you are going to be qualified, then only you are receiving this kind of mail from the TCS team, then only you are eligible. And if you're not received this kind of mail, it means you are not eligible for SAP certification, or you can say SAP role in TCS. Okay, finally that offer letter after test, TCS and QT given in the April 2024 month. How to fill? मैंने बता दिया that you have to choose only one option, yes, if you have done. If not, then choose no and submit it. If you're choosing no, then there is a no alternate option. You can choose no. But yes, if you have a safe certification, then you have to choose yes. And because this is only 1 day timing slot left, so it's not. I will never recommend that you just complete in within a 1 day one certification and you choose yes, because maybe they are going to ask you some question for that also. Because let's suppose you got this mail and you are checking that sir, this is a self certification I can do by myself in night also. तो आप लोग रात में एग्जाम देके सर्टिफिकेट कर लोगे, लेकिन एक दिन में सर्टिफिकेशन का कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता, आप लोग बस स्किल्स नहीं होगा, तो टीसीएस आपसे इंटरव्यू ले सकती है. In that case, all must fill, or this is for all the candidates who written the TCS and QT exam in the month of April, you can say. So I think that's it video. कुछ डाउट कमेंट पूछ लेना. मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.